But start. Okay, so now you are at the stall of our RL Robotics and Swiss Weld Technologies booth. So here we deal in the various welding machines, then robots and cobots for the industrial automation. So now everybody knows that nowadays skilled manpower, that is very crucial thing. That is availability is not so much, day by day it is going down. That is availability of skilled manpower. So automation is nothing but the to fulfill the this thing about the uh, to give the proper support to the industry. So that is why the robotics and automation plays the crucial role in the growth, industrial growth, and it minimizes the dependence on the skilled manpower. So here we give the robots for various applications, right from MIG welding, TIG welding, laser welding. Then we also can employ the robots for other applications like painting, spray painting, powder coating, then in assembly, then in material handling, palletizing. Then even in the metrology also we can automate the process with the vision automation along with the robot or cobot. We have the welding machines, various robots and cobots. The coming to the point of difference between cobot and robot is the robot is for the this thing. It works in the confined area, isolated area, for the purpose of your safety of the human operator. Whereas the cobot, it works along with the human or the operator, can work next to the cobot because of its safety. Even if a small touch, small this thing, interference to the cobot, it stops immediately. That is the difference between robot and cobot. And the teaching of the cobot is very easy. That is the drag and drop teaching. That we can, if somebody is interesting, we can separately arrange the presentation for them for the cobot, again for the robot, different applications. We can give the detailed presentation. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.